Hi, welcome to English Online, Lesson 2. Let's get started. Last class, we matched the questions and my answers. Let's check.
What's your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. Where are you from? I am from Ukraine. What social networking sites do you use? I use Facebook. Do you have any pets? No, I don't. Do you live in a house or flat? I live in a flat. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is jelly. What do you like doing in your free time? I like reading. What do you do? I'm a teacher.
What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do is a way to ask someone what their job is or what they do for a living. What do you do? I'm a bank officer. When we say what people's jobs are, we usually use a and. I'm a teacher. He's an IT developer. She's a bookkeeper. Now let's practice. You say green, I say red. Ready, steady, go. My favorite color is yellow. I'm from Ukraine. I use Facebook. No, I don't. I live in a flat. Yes, I do. My favorite dessert is jelly. I like reading in my free time. I'm a teacher. Now I say green, you say red. What's your favorite color? Where are you from? What social networking sites do you use? Do you have any pets? Do you live in a house or flat? What's your favorite dessert? What do you like doing in your free time? What do you do? Do you like your job? Well done, good job!